I'm on my feet a lot. They get a lot of wear and tear.
My feet hurt so bad that I would cry at times.
It was basically like you were walking on fire.
It was embarrassing to have your feet cracked and bleeding.
As a mail carrier, I'm on my feet all day. They put 60 miles a week on my feet. When I get home and my feet dry out, they crack, and they crack in between my toes, and my heels crack.
When you're selling property, you're on your feet all day. It definitely inhibits your ability to do what you're supposed to be doing when you're in pain.
I don't want to wear sandals. I don't want to wear the cute heels that show the back of my feet because I'm self-conscious.
I am an electrical contractor, and I am on my feet all day. I'm looking for some that, that would help get rid of the dry skin, dry feet.
You try everything because you just want that relief.
Every product on the market.
I've tried about everything.
I knew right away that this was the product that was really working for me.
Within 48 hours, I could see a difference.
It was creamy, but I didn't feel that greasy feeling.
The cracks have diminished. They have started to seal themselves from the inside out.
It's odorless, greaseless, and it just works.
I don't have cracked skin. I don't have any more bleeding. I don't have any more discomfort.
I've enjoyed being able to shop for shoes again.
Healthy Feet is a product that I would use the rest of my life.
It's just an amazing product. It's my feet thank O'Keeffe's. It's just a really great product.